Hello everyone, my name is Mickey and we are going to write a program to find the sum of natural numbers starting from 1 to n. So input given to this program is 4. So n value given to this program is 4. And the output we should return is 10. Why 10? The explanation is given here. Because we are starting the natural numbers from 1 up to n, so adding this natural number we get an output of 10. So we have one function which is named as sum of n, and the integer type, this is the return type of this function we are keeping as integer. Input given to this function is n. Inside the sum variable we are going to initialize the sum value with 0 in order to hold the sum, and we are taking the help of for loop in order to calculate the sum starting from 1 to n. Less than equal to n will go up to nth value, and each time we are updating the I value starting from 1 up to n. Okay, the logic here is we are adding the current sum value to the present I value, and after calculating all the sum we are going to return the sum from this function and end the function here. So initially what happens, I'm going to explain you that in the next coming video. So see you in the next video. Like and share for more.